So basically this is the SKS, or it's just CKC, the old version from Russia. This gun was used in the Vietnam Wars about decades ago. It's kind of like a full-scale model, full metal and real wood. And these are my friends.
Hello.
Okay. It's mainly how it's function, because there's no ammo or any ammo clip in here. I was just gonna pull it back, open the ammo box. That's the only way you can able to put it back, and fire. Safety. And I'm gonna.
No. I don't want to die.
Relax, there's no ammo here. That's a melee weapon from the gun. Adjustable sight. Adjustable sight. This gun maybe weigh about more than 3 kilograms. Still is awesome.
No.
Okay, that's it. A little bit of review from the gun. Over the gun.